Welcome to Electric Motors Theory and Practice, a comprehensive guide designed for engineers, electricians, and technicians seeking field-ready expertise. This course provides both theoretical rigor, bridging the gap between Lorentz force laws and practical rotation, and field expertise on topics like nameplates, insulation testing, and VFD optimization. Part 1 covers physics and foundations, focusing on electromagnetism, the anatomy of the stator, rotor, and air gaps, and standards like NEMA versus IEC. Part 2 dives into DC and specialized motors, including DC machines, BLDC, and steppers, which are critical to the EV revolution, and servos used in industrial robotics. Part 3, AC powerhouses, explores three-phase induction motors, covering rotating magnetic fields, slip and torque speed curve relationships for these global workhorses. Part 4 is dedicated to control and drives, examining direct online and star delta starting, VFD fundamentals for speed control, and the role of soft starters. Part 5 focuses on protection and health, including thermal overload protection, single-phasing prevention, and Megger testing for insulation integrity. Electric motors consume 70% of electricity in industrial settings. Understanding this energy usage breakdown highlights why efficiency is critical. The shift towards super-premium efficiency, IE4 and IE5, is redefining industrial sustainability and marks the evolution of motor efficiency standards. The course roadmap takes you through foundations, DC and precision control, AC machines and power, and finally, control, protection, and maintenance. As the quote says, an electric motor is the heartbeat of civilization. Understanding it is mastering the flow of work itself. We hope you enjoy this video.